you, because you have given yourself to be also a friend to us. When we were done with that service, we entered on here in this college, and the members of the synod discussed a lot in terms of what is the way forward. And one of the things that they did, because I may not be able to enumerate everything that they said, was to transform that place where we are building this building to become a business center. Formerly, it was a place where the bishops were sitting. It was the office of the Bishop Gitari for 15 years, and Bishop Moses for 15 years. But we said we needed to pull that down because, again, it was a very old building. Even before it became an association building, it was operating as an hospital. And I can tell you, the governor who is seated just next to you, that is our birthplace. She was born there when it was a facility for health. So when we met here in 2015, people said we need to transform that place because it's light at the town so that we can have a business premises. A place where young people and our people in Embu can do business. And the journey started, and then 2016 we had the first function to raise funds. And little by little, by last year, Your Excellency, you can imagine we had only raised 107 million, of course including your very generous contribution that you brought to us, even when you are not present with us that day. We sincerely thank you. We could not have made it more beyond 100 million without the very contribution that you know you gave us. And in the month of February, our governor led us to break the ground together with the county commissioner. That building is now at the third slab. And we are hoping to go forward and make it at least 11 slabs. The foundation, we are told by the engineer, it can even be able to carry 18 stores. So the foundation is very firm. But our aim is at least to get it to 11. Now, when the BQs were done, Your Excellency, we were told this building will cost 350 million. And as I have said, we started this year with 107 million. We have a deficit of 243 million. And we still have the faith and great hope that it is possible. I remember our discussions at one point, and you really encouraged me. You know, when you talked about 2 years, I was feeling like, oh, this is a project we have been repairing since 2016. And you remember my words to you. If you see it in 2 years, the people of the Diocese of Embu will be able to say this is a miracle. And true to it, we believe it will be a miracle, and I believe it will happen. Your presence here, with all the leadership that we have, those who have come to be with us, I know we have members of the business, people who are doing business in Embu. Together, I believe we can be able to do it. When your team came this week, we took them to the very place and they told us, the building is beyond the foundation. I remember our ones with you, that we will come this year and lay the foundation. And we were told you can only inspect. And we took it to heart because we respect what we are devised. Our plea to you is, now that we have not laid the foundation today, when the building is complete, Your Excellency, with all the humility, and I speak on behalf of the people of the Diocese of Embu, and I know also I'm speaking of the people who do businesses in Embu. Kindly, we request you to come and officially open that facility for us. Having said this, Your Excellency, allow me to stop there. And I want to invite the governor of Embu County to continue with the program. We are happy. Our governor is doing quite a lot among us. We know the commitment that she has moved with in the leadership of this county. And we want to tell you that yes, under her leadership, Embu is well. Our governor, welcome and God bless you.
Thank you very much, my Lord Bishop, Bishop David Mureithi, my Lord Bishops, the Bishop for Bere Diocese, Dr. Mashamba, and the Bishop for Nakuru, Bishop Mambo, the entire House of Clergy, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, President William Ruto, our CS is here present, CS Rebecca Miano, and CS Roko, our brother, Senator Mundigi Kavamo Digito Naga, PSS Tamoria, members of parliament here present, Mheshimiwa Karemba, Engineer Murioki, and our women rep, Double N Joki Wanjero, our county assembly led by the Speaker, Honorable Josiah Thiriko, and the majority leader, Mheshimiwa Kobole, the area member of the county assembly, Mheshimiwa Mwombo, parastatal heads here present, those that come particularly from Embu County, na wananchi watukufu wa Kristo wa Anglican na marafiki ambao wamekuja. Hamjambo. God is good and all the time. Gedia yo wo Bwana asifiwe. Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the great people of Embu County to welcome you most profusely for your visit today here in Embu County. Nataka kukushukuru, Your Excellency, because today is not the first time you have visited Embu County as a president, and we do not take it for granted that you have been here 6 times since you became the President of the Republic of Kenya. You have come here to support us in our church efforts. You have come here to support us in our development endeavor as a county. Kwa hivyo tunataka kukushukuru kwa sababu tumekuona mara kadhaa ukikuja hapa Embu, na hiyo ni ishara ya kwamba you take Embu County very, very seriously and you love us deeply. May God bless you. Your Excellency, mahali uko hapa inaitwa Kegari. Kegari is a very historic ground in Embu County. Hapa ndipo the Anglican Church, this is where it all started. Na hapa ndipo